Alright, we will be doing a power tap. We're going to start out by tinning the power tap. You can see that I have the J-tube, which is this little tinned copper wire. I have it clamped to this piece here just to make things a little bit easier, just because I don't have 4 arms. So we'll go ahead and tin this piece up. Okay, and you want to tin your wire as well. Then you'll go ahead and just place your wire on here, solder them together. You want to make sure that it cools down. You can use a solder jig if you have one. Really, any method works, but you can see that. Let's see if we can get it. This guy's completely soldered here, and you'll just repeat, get them all done, and that's it.